How to change Google Maps to walking mode. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So before starting the video, make sure to update Google Maps to the latest version. After updating, open up Google Maps on a device. Now tap on the search bar. Now search for the location. Now tap on the location. Now simply tap on directions. Now tap on choose start location. Now tap on your location. Now give the permissions. Now simply tap on drive. Now tap on the person walking symbol. Now this will change the mode to walking mode. Now simply tap on start.